हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द न्यू चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 4, एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज द फ्यूचर टेंस. The future tense is used to express an action that is to take place in future. A verb used to show that an action will complete in the future is said to be in the future tense. मतलब जो future में complete होने वाला है. Okay, so let's talk about the first one, that is simple future tense or the future indefinite tense. Okay, so let's see the form first. This tense is formed with shall slash will plus first form of the verb. The negative is formed by putting not after shall slash will. स्टूडेंट्स ये will होगा, well नहीं होगा. द इंटेरोगेटिव इज फॉर्म बाय पुटिंग शल स्लैश विल बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. अब आप यहाँ पर टेबल देख सकते हो, जैसे कि आई शल, आई के साथ आप शल भी लिख सकते हो, विल भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, वी के साथ आप शल लिखोगे. ओके, और शल भी लिख सकते हो, विल भी लिख सकते हो. इट डिपेंड ऑन द यूज ऑफ द सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, ही विल, ही शी इट दे योर के साथ आप विल ही यूज करोगे, शल नहीं यूज करोगे. जैसे कि ही विल प्ले, शी विल प्ले. ओके, क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? शल आई प्ले, विल यू प्ले, विल दे प्ले. ओके, now before moving further, there is a note. Shall is used with first person I we and will with second person you. shall जो है वो first person के साथ यूज होता है I we के साथ, और second person के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? second person जैसे कि you हो गया, उसके साथ हम will का यूज करेंगे. and the third person के साथ भी हम will का यूज करेंगे, जैसे कि he she it they in the normal future. will can also be used with the first person in the affirmative and negative but not in the interrogative. affirmative negative में तो हम will का यूज कर सकते हैं, but interrogative में हम यूज नहीं कर सकते will का with I and we. Okay, now let's see the uses. The simple future tense is used to express an action or event that is yet to take place with or without any expression. जैसे कि I shall visit you next week. They will help us. Next one, to express the speaker's opinion or assumption about future. जैसे कि I think he will come back. Perhaps we shall find him there. Next one, the simple future generally expresses pure. The simple future generally expresses pure colorless future. जैसे कि will with the जैसे कि will with the first person I we expresses intention और promise और determination. वो determination, promise, intention express कर रहा है. जैसे कि thanks for the book, I will return it by Monday, ये promise कर रहा है. ठीक है, we will fight to the finish, ये determination है. next one, we will wait for you, ये intention है. next thing, shall with the second person you and third person he she it they expresses promise, compulsion, duty or restraint, threat or command. जैसे कि you shall have it back by tomorrow, I promise you. They shall defend their country, duty slash determination. She shall suffer for this, threat slash warning. You shall report for duty tomorrow, that is command. Now there is, before moving further, there is important point. When in doubt, use will except in questions. Okay, अगर doubt में है तो will का use करना चाहिए except in questions, interrogative में नहीं. Other more common ways to expressing the future, we can use the simple present tense that talk about the fact in the future and to talk about the plan that will not change, particularly when there is the concern a journey. Okay, जैसे कि we leave pain, जैसे कि we leave pain at 5, arrive in Delhi at 9 and take a plane for Jammu at 11. Students, ये plane होगा यहाँ पर, pain नहीं. Okay, next thing, we can also talk about plans for the future and other future happenings using by going to plus first form of the verb, that is infinitive. जैसे कि mom is going to buy me a dress, I am going to build a new house. Okay, next one, we can use the present continuous tense to talk about things that we have planned or arranged to do in the future. Okay, जैसे कि we are leaving at the end of the week. The Minister of Education is visiting the college tomorrow. Next thing, the verbs come and go can be used without a time expression. ये बिना किसी time expression के use होता है, जैसे कि I am going for a walk, are you coming with? This tense convey no idea of intention. Okay, next thing, planned future can also be expressed by is slash are slash am to plus first form is slash r slash am plus about to plus first form. जैसे कि the Minister of Education is to open the exhibition on Saturday. The train is about to leave soon. Now the next type of tense is future continuous tense. तो सबसे पहले आपको इसका फॉर्म देख सकते हो. सबसे पहले इसका फॉर्म दे रखा है आपको. This tense is formed with shall slash will be plus first form plus ing. The negative is formed by putting not after shall slash will. The interrogative is formed by putting shall slash will before the subject, and at the end there is the question mark. Okay, now here you can see I we will be playing. Okay, shall be playing. you, she, he will be playing, okay, they will be playing. अब क्वेश्चन फॉर्म कैसे बनेगा? shall I be playing, shall we be playing, और will you be playing? Okay. Now let's see the uses. The future continuous tense is used to express an action which will occur in the normal course. Okay, जैसे कि she will be taking the examination in April. I will be seeing her tomorrow. In this respect, it is less definite than the present continuous. ठीक है. यहाँ पर फिर नेक्स्ट वन आपको दे रखा है, टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन दैट विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस एट अ गिवन टाइम इन फ्यूचर, जो होने वाला है. ओके, वी शैल बी हैविंग पार्टी नेक्स्ट वीक. नेक्स्ट वन, इन द नेगेटिव द फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस merely seeds. In the negative, the future continuous tense merely states that a certain action will not take place in the normal course. जैसे कि she will not be coming to you tonight because she is going out. It is not a request. Now next one, in the interrogative, the future continuous expresses a polite question and not a request or invitation. Okay, जैसे कि will you be going to the market today? Students से will होगा यहाँ पर, ठीक है. Now the next type of tense is future perfect tense. So let's see the form first. This tense is formed with shall / will plus have plus past participle, that is verb third form. The negative is formed by putting not after shall / will. The interrogative is formed by putting shall / will before the subject and have the question mark after that one. Okay, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो टेबल में, I shall have played, we shall have played, we will have played. Okay, you will have played, she will have played. ऐसे क्वेश्चन बनाओगे तो shall I have played, will you have played, will they have played. Okay, now let's see the uses. The future perfect tense is used to express an action which is expected to complete it by a certain time in the future. जैसे कि by the end of this year he will have saved a lot of money. Next one, the film will have started before we reach the cinema hall. Next one, in this respect it is always used with the time expression by then, by the time. Okay, ये हमेशा time expression के साथ use होता है. Next one, to express the speaker's belief that something has taken place. कोई speaker का belief को express करने के लिए भी हम use करते हैं, जैसे कि you will have heard about this news. Now the next type of tense is future perfect continuous tense. So सबसे पहले इसका form हम देखते हैं. This tense is formed with will / shall have been plus form, first form plus ing. Next one, the negative is formed by putting not after this will / shall. The interrogative is formed by putting shall / will before the subject and have been after the subject. Okay, have been after the subject and question mark भी होना चाहिए. अब आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, टेबल आपको दे रखा है, I shall have been playing. Okay, we shall have been playing. Next one, you will have been playing. Okay, question बनाओगे तो shall I have been playing, will they have been playing. Now let's see the uses. The future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action or being in progress over a period of time that will end in future. Okay, by next year I shall have been working here for 5 years. Okay, this tense combines the meaning of the completion and continuity. Although the duration of the time will be complete, the action will still be in progress. Duration of the time तो complete है पर action still be in progress है. Okay students, I hope student that you understood this chapter. आपका homework है कि आपको इसकी following exercise part को complete करना है. Now I'm gonna meet you in another class. Till then students, bye bye.